Hello seed savers, I'm Bonnie from Circle City Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to save hibiscus seeds. These seeds are special to me as they were the first seeds I saved with the intention of sharing with friends and showing others how to save seeds. The plants that I have were planted by the previous owners of our house and they get massive. I'm always amazed by how large and how fast they grow. The flowers that I have are deep pink in color, white, and another color that is clearly the result of the white and pink crossing to get a light pink color. This particular hibiscus is also called a swamp rose mallow and is a perennial that's also a native plant to Indiana. Depending on the type of hibiscus you have and where you are, they may be annuals. To save the seeds of my hibiscus, I create a barrier with insect netting. I rotate which set of flowers I have open each day to allow each color to be pollinated while hopefully keeping the other colors isolated, so I end up with seeds that are the same color as the parent plant. To collect the seeds, you want to wait until the flower's been pollinated. For this hibiscus plant, the flower only lasts a day or so before the flower closes. A short time later, the flower petals will drop and there'll be a green seed pod at the base of where the flower was. Eventually, these seed pods will start to turn brown and crack open. You want to collect these right when they start to crack open, otherwise the seeds will spread everywhere. To collect the seed pod, simply cut the stem below the pod and leave your seed pods indoors to dry out for a few more days. To get to the seeds, pry back the shell of the seed pods, and you will see that there are tons of little seeds all clustered in each section of the pod. The seeds will be a medium to dark brown and be a kind of lumpy round shape. You can gently scrape these out of the pod with your fingernail. As always, you want to store your seeds in a cool, dry place away from sunlight, and they should last for around 3 to 4 years. When planting your hibiscus seeds, you want to plan ahead. I usually start these seeds indoors around January. It also helps to use a heat mat to speed up germination. It also takes the plant about 2 or 3 years to really get going. If you would like to purchase some of the seeds I've collected here today, you can do so in my Etsy shop or on my website, circlecityseed.com. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to learn more about saving all different types of seeds, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what seed saving video you would like to see next. Happy seed saving!